am Noemi, and for today's recipe, I will make a Jollibee style crispy chicken joy. So we miss something like the fast food in Philippines, so I will cook chicken joy here at home. So if you want to know how to cook a chicken joy, so stay and watch the whole video, and I will show you the ingredients that it's really easy, and you will have your own ingredients that we need for the chicken joy. So I have here more or less 600 grams chicken, chili powder. I have here also onion powder, the Chinese 5 spices, pepper and salt, cornstarch, and flour. And we need also cooking oil later for frying. So first, I will marinate the chicken. Also, under the skin, we should marinate with salt and pepper. So after the salt and pepper here, I will put cornstarch to our chicken. And again under the skin. Here is now our chicken with salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. I will put this first in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Then after this, we will start to proceed with the flour and cornstarch mixture. The flour mixture, we will only combine the flour, 2 teaspoons of flour, then cornstarch, then chili powder, onion powder, and Chinese 5 spice. And then of course the salt, and again pepper. And mix this. So for coating the chicken, we have to coat inside also, under the skin. Here is now our crispy chicken like in Jollibee. So thanks for watching Good Enough Kitchen, and please don't forget to subscribe and share if you haven't yet, and please hit the button down below so you will be notified when we have a new video. So bye!